Alright. Just got a new watch. Oh, we're about to blow up.
Cross streets are North Oak Hill Avenue and North Arch Street. Time now 17:39.
Dupage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following counties in Indiana, Lake and Porter, and the following: Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake.
This one didn't activate?
Wilmette Harbor, Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
KZZ 55.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa weather radio station KZZ 57 Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in the listening area.
What's this?
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodridge, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago.
Probably going to issue a special marine warning pretty soon for that.
Park, Midway Airport, West Ridge, South Shore, Burbank, Melrose Park, Maywood, Brookfield, Palos Hills, Hinsdale, and Westchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds of ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Everything's happening now.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for
Is it?
Have you seen it?
No, it hasn't popped up yet on there. Let me go on Radarscope and look at it.
Go on Radarscope. It is massive.
Oh.
I don't think I've ever seen one that big.
Holy crap, yeah, no kidding. Golly.
It's all the way in, it's in Iowa into Michigan.
Yeah, that's a big one. Gee!